A teacher has called me and texted me a message. Madam, you are telling about positive thinking. But nowadays we have a lot of tension in our life as our kids are at home, they are going with online classes, we are at home, we have to take online classes, everyone is at home, and managing the peace and positive thinking at home, it's really overburden for us. And how we can do it, how we can make our life so simple the way you are saying. So I thought, yes, let me to just answer for this question. First of all, I wanted to share you a very small story. There was a boy. So he thought, let me to plant a bamboo tree. He went and he saw there two plants, one for jasmine he planted and another one bamboo. So he was pouring everyday water and water and water. So jasmine plant has started growing up. It was beautiful. Every day he could see some changes. Every week he could see, and slowly he could see some flowers also started coming. Coming to the bamboo, it was so tough because he could not see even the root and anything. He cannot see. So like that way, 1 year passes. In second year also he could not see anything. So he just left it aside. He thought nothing is there and it's a waste of my time to spend time to plant and to just watch growing bamboo tree because it's not going to be happen. And no one has guided him also. But one of the child who used to stay near to his house, he saw that he left taking care of that area. He started taking care of that place. Like that way, second year passes, then third year also, fourth year also, and fifth year also completed. After that, do you know what happened? Suddenly, he could see that bamboo tree has started growing up, and within a few weeks only is just shooting up like anything and cross 100 feet. So why did I tell this story to you all? Understand, this is all about the nature which gives us lot of lesson which we need to understand. Bamboo trees means one of the most strongest roots. If we get anywhere, that obviously that plant is bamboo. One of the plant is and tree is bamboo only. So here what the nature is giving us lesson. You need to strengthen your root. For that it will take a time. You have only two options in your life when you are in problem. When you are going through lot of burdens, stress, and obviously some losses we will be having in our life. That time only two options you have. Whether to believe God or yourself. Otherwise you should not believe the God and even you should not believe yourself. So just thinking what you need to do. Whether you should go with belief system or whether you should leave everything. Because belief system means it will take time. And for that every day you need to build your trust and just go on with that. Yes, one day will come when my root where I am pouring everyday water will shoot up in a high and high and high. So understand when we are talking about positive thinking, when we are talking that our problem should be solved, you need to strengthen what? Your deep thought, your deep positive thinking that need to be done by whom? It should be done by you only. So let me to just give one more example here. We have seen many people, if you take any example in your life to whom you used to admire, if you just go back and read about their life, you will come to know only one thing. They were great failure. But one thing was very common among all of them. They never ever give up. That's the reason we are taking those examples nowadays. We are saying that they are the history maker. Whoever the example you will take, whether it's Chanakya, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, anyone if you take, they failed many times. They have seen lot of problem in their life, but they all were having one thing is very common. They know every problem is having a solution when they will apply their brain. When we are in the problem, that is the time when you have to plan very nicely. That is the time when you are in the problem. Take deep breath and think with the good intention. Okay, this is the time that God has given me to have better planning. Because if I will come out from this problem, then only I am going to make a history. Then only I am going to give an example to the world. So think of whether you have to believe in you, believe in God, or you need to criticize yourself. Lot of stress, because who is doing this chanting? I am in the stress, I am going with a lot of tension in my life. This is you only doing. What will happen if you change your intention in a different way? Okay, yes, this is a problem, but it has come for me to think and to look in a different way. So that planning need to be done. How you can make your problem a success story for you. So that planning need to be done. For that always, which I used to say that, understand how you need to divide your time, how you need to learn some new skill, how you need to progress in spiritual path, how you need to do the things where you can make some difference in this world. So start doing that. Now if we are in the problem, this is the time when we all have to think, what are the plans I have made? What are the goal setting I have done? What are the whys? Why means, I think you all have heard about 5 whys. It means every problem, whatever the problem comes in your life, just go with the root cause, with the question why. Supposed to be a child came to the school late. That time, if you ask, why did you come late? The why, the child will give the answer there. Because I got up late. Why you got up late? Because I slept late. Why did you sleep late? Because I did not plan my nighttime properly. I was watching the TV. So there, like that way, you will get the answer. What you have done something which you are not supposed to do. So work with the root cause of your problem. Answer is there with you. That need to be figured out by you only. No one can solve your problem except you only. So think positive and understand how to come out from any situation of your life while thinking positive. So now obviously Diwali is ahead. So think of why we are celebrating even the Diwali also. How Rama's story, Satyabhama's story, if you take all those stories, they all were in the problem. But right now we are not talking about the problems. We all are speaking about the success story of their life. Correct? So our problem is not like that big also. But how are we making our problem big rather than thinking how to solve it? So please find out the answer, how to plan yourself, how to add the new skill in your life, and how to make the difference in your own lifestyle. So thank you so much. I hope this story and this topic will surely work out somewhere.